Welcome to our channel. Finding the right golf instructor accelerates your improvement and makes learning enjoyable. Follow these steps to select the best teacher for your needs. Step 1. Research local teaching professionals and read reviews from their students. Look for instructors with recognized certifications from organizations like the PGA or LPGA, indicating formal training and expertise. Step 2. Schedule consultation lessons with 2 or 3 different instructors before committing. This trial period allows you to experience their teaching style, communication approach, and personality fit. Step 3. Evaluate their teaching methodology. Quality instructors assess your current abilities, identify priority improvements, and create structured lesson plans rather than addressing everything simultaneously. Step 4. Assess their communication style. The best instructor for you explains concepts in ways you understand, whether through technical analysis, field-based descriptions, or visual demonstrations. Everyone learns differently. Step 5. Observe how they use technology. Modern teaching tools like video analysis and launch monitors provide valuable feedback, but technology should enhance instruction, not replace hands-on teaching. Step 6. Consider their availability and location convenience. Consistent lessons produce better results than sporadic sessions, so choose an instructor you can visit regularly. Step 7. Trust your instincts about rapport and comfort level. Learning golf requires vulnerability and patience. You'll progress faster with an instructor who makes you feel confident and supported. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.